Is it possible for a DJ to please everyone? Let's talk about that right now. This is Share the Knowledge.
I'm djTLM, and this is Share the Knowledge.
Today's podcast is brought to you by Bandzoogle. The next question is from DJ Washit, if I'm saying it right. And the question is it possible for a DJ to please everyone by accepting all music requests? How can I manage my playlist? Some club patrons want particular songs to be played several times and it's very boring. All right, you can never please everyone. Just keep that in mind. You can never please everyone. Even if it's going to be 99.9% of the crowd, there's going to be one person in there that's going to still dislike what you're doing. That could be have multiple reasons. It could be your song selection. There's always going to be one person, a lot of times it's going to be more, but there's always going to be one person that doesn't like the tracks that you're playing. Even if it's just a couple of the tracks that you're playing, it's never going to happen that the entire crowd likes every single song that you play. So song selection, that is one reason why. Now, maybe you're a DJ who likes to mix in a certain way, and some people might not like that. So even if it's correct, they don't like your style of mixing, the way you use your EQ, whatever. Maybe you scratch too much for certain DJs, or you for the crowd, or you do not scratch enough for certain people in the crowd. It's always going to be something, so you should never really worry about that. You read the crowd, you try to get the majority of that crowd going, and if you have a dance floor filled with people dancing, then you achieved your goal. But you're not going to please everyone. Even if you take every request you receive, some people are going to request songs that other people in the crowd will not like. So at that moment, you're not pleasing everyone either. So you should never really worry about that. Now, the other thing is, you talk about patrons that want to hear particular songs several times. Now, this is personal. You have to decide what you do. I have a rule, and that rule is I play songs once, with a couple of exceptions, but for the most part, I will play songs once. If a song is brand new, so it just came out, I think it's an absolute banger, I played it for the crowd once, they were feeling it, I might bring that song back later just because it's brand new. I want to hear it again. I want to make sure that the crowd really feels that song. I want to try to break that song. I might play it again. Doesn't happen a lot, but that could be one reason why I would do something like that. Now, another reason would be if I'm playing at a private event and the person who booked me, so let's say it's a birthday party or it's a wedding, and I don't do a lot of these bookings, but if you're playing at a party like that, and let's say that the bride or the birthday girl or guy wants to hear a specific song that you already played, in that case, I would say it's your party, bang, play it again. If they want to hear it one more time, I'll give it to them again. That's their party, they booked me, I'm willing to do that. Now, of course, if I feel that it's gonna kill the vibe, I might suggest, like, shall I play that at the end because I already just played it and whatever. But in most cases, I would probably just say, sure, that's their party. Talking about private parties, and that's the client booking you. I don't really have a problem with them. But if I'm playing in a normal club setting or a festival, catching me play tracks twice, it's not really gonna happen that often. I want to thank you for tuning in to another video clip of my Share the Knowledge podcast. This was episode 60. Make sure you subscribe to djTLMtv so you don't miss out on any of my future content, and make sure you activate those notifications. Share the video, like the video, share the knowledge. Peace.
Bandzoogle makes it easy to build a stunning website for your music in minutes. You can choose from hundreds of mobile-friendly themes and then customize your design and content in a few clicks with Bandzoogle's easy visual editor. Now, all the features you need for a professional website are already built in, including tools to sell your music and merch commission-free, mailing list tools to grow your fan list and send newsletters, and integration to pull in content from all your online services, including Twitter, Instagram, and SoundCloud. I use Bandzoogle to create the Share the Knowledge podcast website, and that was very easy. Bandzoogle plans start at just $8.29 a month and include your own free custom domain name. Now, if you want to try it out for free for 30 days, click on the link in the description box down below and be sure to use the promo code SHARE to get 15% off the first year of your subscription.